Hey everyone, Josh Coles here from Idea Studio at the Fond du Lac Public Library. And I'm really happy today to be able to say welcome back in a limited way. We are reopen for use by appointment and for online project consultations. So I'd like to just do a quick video to explain those two ways of using Idea Studio. The first way is going to be something that you're probably familiar with. In-person use. You make your appointment using the SCEDA booking system and come in to use equipment that you've already been trained on. That's available right now for the Carvey CNC cutter, the laser cutter and engraver, the printmaking press, and a limited version of the recording studio station. We don't have microphones available right now, and the station is located outside of the room that is normally the recording studio. So our suggestion is check out one of our audio recorders and you can do your recording at home, or you can use your phone for recording or any other recording device that you have access to, and then bring those recordings in and you can do editing and mixing here. If you do visit us for an in-person appointment, please remember to wear your mask in the library, and we'll be wearing our masks. And there is a sanitizer station just inside the door of Idea Studio. If you could please sanitize your hands or wash them before using any equipment, that'll help keep the space clean. We've also stepped up our cleaning schedules within the space to help keep everybody safe. The other way that you can use Idea Studio right now is something that's new. We haven't tried it before. So you can do an online project setup session with us. You book that session through SCEDA as well. And basically we'll walk you through setting up your project, making sure that it makes sense and that we'll be able to do it. And then we actually do the production of that project and have it available for you to pick up upstairs later. So that's available for 3D printing. So 3D printing, you can produce objects based on a 3D model. It's available for sublimation printing and heat press, which is a setup that we haven't had available to the public yet, so that's something new. And you can make masks and mugs right now with that. So here's a mug that we've created with the Idea Studio wall art on it. And basically it creates a permanent design on the mug. So this can go through dishwashings, no problem. And you can see it's a real nice glossy finish on that. The other thing you can do with sublimation right now is masks. So we have a sublimation friendly mask here, and we've applied a design to it, and that can go through washings because the ink becomes kind of permanently embedded in the material. So that's really cool. Two things that we haven't been able to offer before. And then finally, the button maker is pretty self-explanatory. We have buttons that we can create. We only have the 2 1/4 inch, I believe, size, and those are 1/4 each. So we're able to kind of help you prepare the template for the buttons and then create those as well. So there's no supply fee for 3D printing like usual, but we do ask you to limit yourself to 6 hours a week of printing. If we prepare your project and it looks like it's going over that, then we can talk about your options. There will be supply fees for things like masks and mugs, and we can discuss that too as we prepare your project. But we're excited to be able to offer these two ways of using Idea Studio, and we're excited to see some of you in person again. So thanks for listening and have a great day.